Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today I am very excited for this video because my Jeffree Star by Shane, whatever the collection, it's amazing and I'm so excited I can't even speak. I was actually at work when like the launch hit, and it was at a time where like I was still almost part-time, so I didn't have like a break that I could like take my lunch and go order this palette. So I ended up getting on it like an hour after it had started, and of course everyone knows like it was still, or an hour or two, whatever, it was still down, like the site and everything. So I was like, oh cool, because it didn't say that everything was sold out yet, and I was like, oh, this is amazing, cool. I start trying to do it and it keeps saying the error thing and like whatever, and I was like, wait, what is going on? And I was like, literally I did this right after work, like sitting in my car before heading home, and like it wasn't working, and I was like, okay, well I have to go home, like I have to get home, so I can't really sit here and just like hope that it works. So I was really disappointed and I had to go home, and so when I got back home, I was kind of waiting throughout the day, and I kind of had lost hope at that point. Like I was like, well, I wasn't even on the site when it started, so there's no way I'm getting anything. You know what I mean? Because like if the site's broken for people that were like literally on it 15 minutes before it opened and even longer than that, it's not gonna work for me. I'm not gonna get anything. Well, thank goodness that the mini controversy wasn't like launched until later, because when Jeffree Star tweeted that they still had more of it, I freaked out. I went on the site like instantly. I was so excited because yes, I wanted the bundle. I wanted everything. I mean, honestly, I wanted every part of the collection. I think it's amazing. And when they restock, I'm going to try my hardest to get it all. But they were out of the actual like Conspiracy, the big palette. So I thought, well, you know what? I'd rather have like one thing rather than nothing. So I went ahead and I purchased the mini Controversy palette, and I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it, you guys. Literally, I opened the box and then it was all packaged so perfectly, I'll show you guys, that I just didn't want to like do anything to it until I did this unboxing for you guys. It came like 2 days ago, so I've been like dying to open it, but I didn't have time to film until today. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. And I already have like foundation on and eyebrows done, because really I just wanted to play with this palette with you guys. Like this is more about like opening the palette, just like my first impressions. I'm gonna swatch everything for you guys. I'm just really excited, you guys. I can't even. Without further ado, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into this kind of like review slash get ready with me slash tutorial. I don't know what to call it, but here we go. Before I begin, I just wanted to say that I literally this morning watched the finale. It came out yesterday. Today is Saturday. So I watched the finale of the Jeffree Star by Shane like docu-series or whatever. It was amazing. Like Shane, if you're watching this, which you probably aren't, but Shane, you're amazing. Literally like iconic. Everything you've done, and Jeffree, you too, like insane. Like you guys are just like business icons and beauty icons. I can't even with you guys. You're just so wonderful. So first I get this like cute little, like how adorable. Ugh, their makeup looks like phenomenal. I love that. And then on the back of it, it's got the Conspiracy, which I wish I had, and the mini Controversy, which I'm so glad I got. And I saw the thing about the emerald shade, and I'm actually glad that I got mine before they do that, because personally, I prefer that. Oh wait, which one? Oh, they said they got rid of the Cry on My Couch. But to be honest, I love lighter shades like that, so I'm kind of glad that I got it before they did the emerald green. Emerald green. Okay. I'm so excited. All right, so they definitely did a nice job. Sorry, as like I'm making so much noise. They definitely did a nice job keeping it like secured, because they had like these, making sure it didn't move. So that's just paper. And then look at this. I told you I haven't opened it, you guys. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, and it just feels, I'm literally feeling the bubble wrap, and I'm just like too excited. I'm so stoked, you guys. This is amazing, and I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. I tried to do that gracefully. Obviously it didn't happen. Yes, pink bubble wrap. Iconic. Ah! Iconic. I love this. This is amazing. It's almost like totally ASMR this if I had nails. Oh, I love this. This is so satisfying. That smells new. Oh my God. And you can tell this is good quality. Like, yeah, just by the feel of it, like it's thick, it's just good quality. It's not like cheaply made, you know, whatever stuff. So doesn't look like any of the eyeshadows are broken or anything. So I was a little scared because I heard some things, you know, on like Twitter and stuff about like people's palettes having like hair and stuff in them, which Jeffree totally freaking like took over, and he was like, this is what happened, I'm sorry, like we're getting that out to you. Like, business phenomenon, I'm just telling you, he's amazing. I just love that he like didn't gloss it over. He didn't, you know, just say, oh well, it just happens, or he didn't like just not say anything. Like he freaking dug deep, and he was like, why did this happen, let's fix it. Like, yes, thank you. That's how a business should be run. Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna swatch Flat Earth. Oh my God. The feel of that was so smooth. It felt like butter. That is beautiful. This is so gorgeous. It's such like a light, just almost shimmery, but also just like matte, kind of white, which is so nice because you can put this like almost as a highlight maybe, or even just a base color. Love that. Now let's try Cry on My Couch. It blends in so well to my skin tone, so that would also be a good base color, definitely. And that's just a nice nude color, like to put on the lid for sure. Now let's try My Boyfriend's Purse. That one's more of a gray. Ooh, I like that. It's not what you think it's going to be. Yeah, it's more of like a grayish brown maybe, or a grayish tan, kind of like gray and tan together. Now let's do Controversy. Oh my goodness. This is where pigment goes a long way. I hope you guys can see this. That purple. I'll try to zoom in when I'm editing. That purple. Oh, am I even like, there we go. That purple is iconic. If you guys can see it. Am I putting this on? I hope you guys can see this. I'm not a great swatcher, I'm sorry. Ooh, Diet Root Beer, which is kind of like one of my favorite, like I'm really looking forward to this color. I love that dark brown. Ooh, My Apology. Yes, queen. Love that. Why am I doing it that way? Why am I, I'm a horrible swatcher, I'm sorry. Exposed, I love Exposed, that like light purple. That is a nice light purple. I am literally doing this the worst possible way, like the hardest way possible. You know the whole like work smarter, not harder? Apparently that just doesn't sink in for me. Okay, let's do Canceled. I'm gonna try to put it right, there we go. I'm gonna put it right there. That's easier to show you guys. How freaking cute. I love that. Why am I whispering? So iconic. Oh my gosh, you guys, the feel of this eyeshadow. I can't wait to put it on my eyes. I love that. And Come Through Pigment. Okay, now let's put the dark sparkly blue, the Simulation, next to it. That could be a cool color. I love that. I'm gonna wash this all off of me, and then we're gonna get right into the eye look. I'm ready to dive into this palette and get started. So, oh God. Probably should have cleaned my makeup brushes, but you know what? That's not my brand. I'm just kidding. I don't have a brand. My brand is I'm a Mess. First off, I'm gonna put Cry on My Couch kind of all over my eyelid, whatever you call it. I'm great at this, you guys. So I'm gonna put that all over my eye because it's a really nice, like it really matches my skin tone. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put, I am gonna do Canceled. I wanna do Canceled, the like really bright blue with the eye, with the tear. I'm gonna do Canceled on my lid. I'm gonna do Controversy. I'm gonna do like a blue and purple look. I think that'll be really cute. Ooh, also I'm going to get my hair dyed tonight, so comment below what you think I'm gonna get it colored as or whatever. What color do you think I should choose? / what do you think I'm going to? I love, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, Flat Earth might be my favorite color. It's so like icy. I love it. So beautiful. Freaking in love with this eye look. All right, I'm gonna go finish my makeup and I'm going to put Controversy under my eye and that will be the finished makeup look. So I will be right back. So first I'm going to do the Controversy on my bottom lid type thing where you like, you know, like the rocker look, like where you kind of like smooth it out. So I'm gonna take my like blending brush and I'm just gonna bring it down. I love that. Okay, now I'm gonna put my mascara on because it's never complete without mascara. Don't know why I closed the mirror because I def still need it. So open that back up and I'll put my mascara on, which right now I've been using Damn Girl. And comment below which shade in this, oh God, I almost dropped it. Which shade in this palette do you like gravitate towards, slash like just is your favorite, slash you think you would wear all the time? I'm still like Flat Earth just kind of floored me with how pretty it was. And Diet Root Beer. I love all of them. Yeah, it's hard to choose, but I think Flat Earth would be my all-time, like, I just think it's so pretty. It's almost like iridescent. Now I'm going to put Faux by MAC on my lips, which is my go-to nude. I've had this for forever, that's for sure. I wonder how long these actually last. I don't know. It probably says on the bottom. Well, anyway, I'm probably using this way past its use date, but I love this. It just matches my lips, so it's the easiest thing to use. Let me spray with my Jeffree Star by Morphe Set and Refresh Mist Starberry scent because it smells like Red Bull and it's amazing, and I love Red Bull. Sugar-free. Let me put down my hair. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Okay, beach. Just kidding. Okay. I love this eye look. I think it looks so cute. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this mini Controversy review slash makeup tutorial slash get ready with me. Not really sure what I'm gonna call it. It's kind of all three of those things. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if there's any other palettes you guys would like me to try out, especially for this holiday season. If there's any like cute little holiday palettes you guys want me to try, I would love to. Just let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.